combine like terms and write in descending order. Y squared minus 3y minus y plus 3/4 y squared. At the same time that I combine, I'll also write them in descending order. So we'll start with the y squared. Remember, the coefficient of this y squared is 1, so I have a 1 plus 3/4, and that's in front of the y squared. Then we have a negative 3 minus a 1, and that goes in front of y. Now, to add this together, we would need to rewrite the 1 as 4 over 4 plus the 3/4, and that's y squared, plus negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4y. And then finally, our answer in descending order, 4/4 plus 3/4 is 7/4 y squared minus 4y.